Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to import SIM card contacts to your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. If you have recently switched to an iPhone or inserted a SIM with saved contacts, this quick method will move all your SIM contacts into your iPhone's Contacts app. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps option. From the next page, find and tap on Contacts. Inside the contact setting, look for the option that says Import SIM contacts and tap on it. Your iPhone will automatically start copying all the contacts stored on your SIM card into your iPhone's internal contacts list. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on how many contacts you have. Once the import is done, there won't be a pop-up or message. Your SIM contacts are now saved directly to your iPhone and synced with your default account, usually iCloud unless you have selected something else. Now go to the Contacts app. You should see all your SIM contacts listed along with your existing ones. If you're using iCloud contacts, they will also sync to your other Apple devices automatically. To make sure your contacts stay backed up, go to Settings, tap on your name from the top, then tap on iCloud, and then tap on Contacts and make sure Contacts is turned on. This keeps everything safe and synced. And that's it. That's how quickly you can import SIM card contacts to your iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.